Open the card from Grandma and Grandpa. Just rip it open, Chanel. You need some help?
Okay.
What is it?
So it's your head card.
Really? What's inside?
I don't know.
It looks like, did you get stickers?
Yes.
Yeah. What do you say to Grandma and Grandpa?
Thank you. I have this big sticker.
You do?
Yep.
Okay. Don't put it on there because you're going to rip that off right away.
Duck.
Okay. Do you want to open the present from Grandma and Grandpa?
Yes. Da da da.
What did you get, Chanel? What is it?
Rainbow Dash.
Oh, it's a remote control. My Little Pony.
Oh my God.
It's a car. It's a remote control car.
I love this. It's a Rainbow Dash. I love Rainbow Dash. It's so fast. And Pinky. Her the queen.
Wow. What do you say to Grandma and Grandpa? Say in the camera.
Thank you.
Thank you for what?
Thank you for this. I really love it. I love Rainbow Dash. Oh, I really love Rainbow Dash in the movie. Daddy.
Oh, okay.
Come in next one.
What did you get?
Squirrel.
A squirrel?
Yeah.
Is that a for real pet?
No. See?
It makes noise?
Yeah. See?
That's cool, eh, Chanel?
And look, see, you can get a monkey with the friends.
Very nice. What did you get?
Sophie?
You got a movie, Planet 51.
Like the last one.
What is it?
Oh my. Look. See? It's peas.
The peas? The doggy peas?
Ew, yeah, it's peas. It's peas.
What do you think of that?
Cool. See? You press in peas. See right here, peas?
Wow. You have to potty train it?
Yeah. Peas on the floor. secret way.
Okay, let's open them up now. Okay, what do you say to Grandma and Grandpa for your presents?
Thank you.
Chanel.
Thank you. I love you very much.
And say you're going to see them soon.
I will see you pretty soon.
Are you cleaning up now?
Yeah?
Good girl.
What did you do? It was a mess. What did you do? It was a mess. Cleaning up? Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye, Chanel.